Bright light instantly induces sneezes in 25% of us. It affects an estimated 18 to 35% of people globally. You step into brilliant sunshine, your nose twitches violently, and achoo, congrats, you have achoo syndrome. That's the actual scientific acronym. It's autosomal dominant, meaning if one parent passes it down, you've got a 50-50 chance. Charles Darwin actually documented this in 1868 after watching his son sneeze at the sun. A sudden camera flash or bright light triggers it in under 1 second because your optic nerve accidentally stimulates your trigeminal nerve. Your brain literally short circuits. Do you sneeze at the sun? Comment below.